Hello friends, welcome. We will solve one more problem on isometric views. We have these orthographic views, front view and top view, and we have to draw an isometric view. The length of this object is 75 mm, the height is 40 mm, and the width is 50 millimeters. Now, we should observe these views carefully. I will divide these views into different blocks. This highlighted block say A dash, and the same block has two parts in top view. This is A1 and this is A2, and the remaining blocks, this is B in top view, and the same block has three parts in front view, B1, B2 and B3. Now we will draw the isometric lines. First draw a horizontal line and mark origin point on this line. Then draw a vertical line perpendicular to this horizontal line from origin. Then draw the lines with 30-degree angles to the horizontal line from origin to the left side and right side. These are the isometric lines. We will make the isometric box on these isometric lines by taking maximum length, maximum height and maximum width. The length is 75 mm to the right side from origin. The height is 40 mm and this is width 50 mm to the left side. Set scale parallel to this line and draw the line from this end point. Again set scale parallel to this vertical line and draw a vertical line from this end point. This is the front plane. Again set scale parallel to this line and draw the line from this point. Then set scale parallel to this vertical line and complete the side plane. Similarly, we will complete the top plane. Set scale parallel to this line and complete the top plane. This is the isometric box. Now I will complete the A1 block. Will be here. This is 25 mm width and the length is 20 mm. Then make block like this, and this block should be dark. Now we will draw the A2 block, but the A2 block has inclination. It is clear from front view. Here this is the 25 mm depth from the end point. Then this length is 60 mm, 40 plus 20. Draw the line. Similarly, we will draw the line from back side also. This is 25 mm depth. Then join these two lines and again draw the line parallel like this and join these two end points. Then draw this inclination by joining these 2 points. Again join this also. Then dark this line. This is A2 block. A1, this is A1 and this is A2. This is A dash block which is in front view. Now extend this line up to this vertical line. Again draw the parallel line like this. Similarly in front plane also, and join these 2 points. Now this is B block which is in top view. Now we will dark the lines like this. This line will be dark. Again this line will be dark. Now here is slot. The length is 25 mm from this side also and this side also 25 mm. And the width of this slot is 15 mm. Sorry, this is 15 mm. Measure 15 mm from this point. Then draw the parallel line like this. Then draw the vertical lines from each point. And they complete the slot. Then dark all the visible lines. Now here B1, B2 and B3 blocks are completed. Then remaining lines should be dark. Here the isometric view of given front view and top view is completed. After completing the diagram, we should give all the dimensions.